What is up, guys? Today we're taking a look at a really interesting keyboard, and a keyboard that was a total surprise to me. It actually turned out to be one of my favorite keyboards of 2017. It is the Drevo Calibre. So let's go ahead and take a look. First, let's talk about size. Now, this keyboard is a 71 key keyboard. It's a lot different than any standard kind of keyboard layout. Basically, it's a 10 keyless keyboard without the function row. Also, Drevo offers this in white and black flavors. As you can see, we have the white version. While most of the keyboard is white with the white frame and white keycaps, there is a silver aluminum top piece that adds stability to the keyboard, so you won't have any flex when typing. The keyboard is powered by a removable white micro USB cable, and since this keyboard is not only wired but is Bluetooth as well, this will charge the keyboard too. Since you are missing the entire function row, the top row has alternate functions that you can see from the front of the keyboard. You just hold the function key and you can access those controls. One of the biggest stars of this keyboard are the actual keycaps. Now, these aren't your normal ABS keycaps that you find on pretty much every major gaming keyboard out there. These are PBT double shot keycaps. They are much more durable and have a much better feel. Under these keycaps, you're going to find mechanical key switches. Now, these are branded as Drevo. We've heard they might be Kailh, they might be Otomo. We're not really sure what actual brand they are, but they're basically Cherry MX knockoffs, and these are still very good. They are a full mechanical key switch, and we received the blue versions, but they also offer them in black, brown, and red. The RGB LED on these switches is located at the top center, which allows it to shine through the keycaps, and the backlighting or illumination on this keyboard is pretty good. Not the best I've seen, but it still looks good, and we'll get into that just in a little bit here. Flipping the keyboard over to the back, you're going to find 6 rubber feet, and they're going to keep the keyboard in place whether you're typing or gaming. There's also a very small switch, and this will switch the keyboard between wired and Bluetooth mode. By default, the keyboard lays pretty flat with a slight angle up, and the first 3 rows of keys are angled down while the last 2 are angled up, and this is a pretty standard design when it comes to gaming keyboards. Now, if you pop out the 2 feet that are on the bottom of the keyboard, you get a more extreme angle. Before we get into lighting, here is a little sound test of what the blue switches sound like. So starting off with illumination, there's a very easy way to illuminate all of the keys one color, and you have the ability to cycle through like 5 or 6 different colors. You just hit function and delete, and that will start your cycle through these colors. There are 4 different levels of illumination as well as off, so you just hold the function key and use the up and down arrows to cycle through. There are 7 different effects that are programmed into the keyboard, and to start them you just hit function and insert, and you can use that of course to cycle through them as well. And the first one is the snake mark key, which I think is really cool. Up next we have wave mode, which sort of does this wave across your keyboard with different colors. After that you have ripple mode, which actually is one of my favorite modes of this keyboard. Aurora mode is very similar to ripple mode, just not as cool in my opinion. The next 2 are very similar. There's reactive mode and then advanced reactive mode. Finally, you have breathing mode. You can also custom assign each key its own color. To do that, you hold function and page up, and then select the key and cycle through the different colors. When you're done, you hit function page up again, and it will go ahead and save everything. There's actually 3 different profiles that you can save on the keyboard itself. I did want to mention that all of the effects do work with either custom colors or having the keyboard all one color. So for me, I have my custom layout here, and then I use the ripple mode, and I think it creates a really cool effect. Drevo actually has software for this keyboard that allows you to completely reprogram it as well as change the color of the lighting, but I actually found it's easier to change the lighting on the keyboard itself. Now, I've been using this keyboard for the past 3 months, and it seems like every time I switch out this keyboard to test another keyboard, I'm always coming back to this keyboard. That's the whole reason I'm making this video, is because I'm just in love with the feel of this keyboard. And the thing that really does it is actually the PBT keycaps. Even though we don't have true Cherry MX switches, we have these awesome PBT keycaps that just feel amazing. And like I said, there's no flex in this keyboard whatsoever. It just feels really good. I can game for hours on end. When I'm actually typing, I feel that like I'm in that groove as well when I'm typing. So it's just an all-around great experience. When it's all said and done, this keyboard has to be one of my favorite products of 2017. I'm completely blown away. It is small and compact, so it does not take up a lot of room on your desk, and you can even use it as a mobile keyboard if you wanted to take it with you. You can use it wired or wirelessly via Bluetooth, and it has that great backlighting with all the different effects that I talked about. But the best thing about this keyboard, as I said, is how it actually feels. The PBT keycaps match with the mechanical key switches make for one of the best keyboard experiences that I've ever had. Even better is that this keyboard doesn't even break the bank. Right now it's $59.99 on Amazon, which makes it a no-brainer. I'll have the link below where you can go ahead and pick it up, as well as a link to my full written review. So this is definitely a keyboard I can recommend. Now, if you enjoyed this video, I would appreciate it if you hit that like button, and if you do enjoy our tech content, go ahead and subscribe. So until next time, catch you guys later.